Hi, this is Steve with Conserve Tutorials. Today we're going to look at some short videos on how to make some quick changes on the Toro Evolution controller. Now we can look at the Water Now feature. Here we see a button, Water Now. Press that. If I want, I can run the schedule. Remember, we put time on 4 stations. I could run those predetermined times simply by hitting select. We can see zone 1 has a water drop representing its watering for 6 minutes. If I want to skip to zone 2, I can simply hit the arrow over. Zone 2 now is watering for 5 minutes. Can hit it again. Come to zone 3 for 4 minutes. You see, we would just go through, but to run the schedule, we would just do that by simply hitting Water Now, Schedule, Select. That's all there is to it. I'm going to turn it off. Then I'm going to hit Select to start watering the normal mixed start time. Now, another feature in the Water Now. You can see Schedule, we just went over that. Arrow down to Zones. I can select to water a zone. Let's turn on zone 3. I'm going to hit select. I'm going to come over by hitting the select button to zone 3. And here what's highlighted is what I can change. I'm going to put 3 minutes on zone 3. Now what I need to do is hit select to say yes. On zone 3 I want 3 minutes. As you can tell, there's a water drop now on zone 3, representing zone 3 is now watering for 3 minutes. So it's as simple as that to turn on a specific zone. Let's turn it off again. Water off. Next start. There we go. It's going to go back to not watering today. System OK. It's in normal operation. Now let's look at the next feature in the Water Now area. And that is the all zone test. I will arrow down till that is highlighted. In this area, I can turn on each station for a duration that we now select. All zones. I'm going to select all zones. By default, it comes up as 2 minutes. I could simply hit select and each zone will come on for 2 minutes each. I can lessen that to 1 minute and 30 seconds. I could make it 1 minute each, which is probably a preferred duration. I could even make it 30 seconds each zone if I so chose, but let's make it 1 minute each. Hit select, simple enough. Zone 1 now is watering, see the water drop, for 1 minute. Then zone 2 will come on for 1 minute, zone 3 and so on. If I wanted to advance, I could just by hitting the arrow to the right, and we will see zone 2 watering now for 1 minute. When it's done, it will go to zone 3 and so on. Pretty simple, right? Let's hit water off. When are we going to turn it back on? The next regular start time. And there we go. We're in normal operation once again.